So my buddy, he switched out the downpipe on his Subaru. And it's kind of, I forgot what he called it. I think it was the 3-inch Cobb SS downpipe for Subarus. So from the turbo flange up in the engine, up at the turbo, the downpipe to the exhaust, he switched out that part. It was like a direct bolt on. He didn't really have to do any cut or weld. And he said it made the vehicle sound more aggressive, more responsive, more power. And according to what he's been telling me, stock wise, his car is 250 horsepower. With this one, it might have bumped him up to 275 to 300 horsepower. That's off what he's been reading off the internet. I'm not sure. I don't see any numbers. But any Subaru guys out there, if you guys try this, do you guys see anything? Any improvements in your vehicle? But anyways, that's what this video is around. And I'll try to find the picture and post it with the video, and see what you guys think. It from the looks of it, it kind of went from a 2 catalytic converter downpipe to a single catalytic converter downpipe, so less restriction, more airflow. He also said, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, he also said that it made the vehicle sound more aggressive. Honestly, when he let me test drive it, it felt amazing. Honestly, it felt like you could actually feel it. And then when it, you could hear it when you let go of the throttle. You could hear turbo sounds, whatever. So before we begin, I'm gonna change up the words a little bit. My buddy said, just to keep it kid friendly, my buddy said, kids, don't do drugs. Don't do drugs. Don't touch them. So you're getting this piece?
Yeah, the downpipe. Tiene chingo de catalizadores, güey, no vamos a ir a tener ahora.
Quítaselos.
Niki.
Le compra un 3-inch.
You might get fortune.
No, wait, don't. Te la tengo, por el otro lado.
Tiene spring, güey, no sé si quiero detenerla.
No se necesita.
Sí, que detenerla.
Los voy a subir al YouTube. Se van a hacer famosos.
This how you are
Sí, la estoy...
for changing out a downpipe and then.
This is smaller than a 14, so maybe a 13. 13.
Sí, estoy apretando y la estoy ajustando.
Ándale.
Aquí está una universal.
La llave de pendejos, güey.
La estoy ajustando, güey. Güey. La voy a quitar mejor la chiquita, güey.
No le con nada.
Déjame, la meto bien.
No, dale, a ver, dale. Síguele dando.
Tiene que ir para allá, para arriba.
Arriba. Ahí. Ya, güey, que pueda salir a un chingazo, güey.
Ahí está. Mira, ahí se cayó el nut.
Internet.
So that's the whole piece that's going to be replaced?
Ya, dile que catalizador y un catalizador ahí arriba, güey.
So we're going to be adjusting some valve lash on this thing. We're going to take the cover off and we're gonna turn that crankshaft. We'll see how it looks underneath the valve cover.
¿Me prestas una llave, Arno?
¿Cuál llave?
Una 13 o algo, que está.
13.
Esta cosa no la puedo meter ahí.
¿Qué prendemos?
Quebraron.
Otra vez. ¿No lo puedes hacer así?
Vamos a quebrar la otra. Que tiene dos. Le movemos un poquito.
Ahí van, cabrón.
Se corre para abajo también. A lo menos que tenga entonces sí es un leak real. Pues está fresh, nomás el aceite, entonces sí, el penetre. O no tiene tierra, güey, eso sí es un leak.
Porque este lado está bien y este lado es el que está como limpiando. Carlos, tú que eres experto.
Por adentro.
Prende la flashlight. It's inside the Subi. Two, filling in the hole.
So obviously the front end of this engine is your exhaust valves right here, and the back side your intake valves. Your measurements are found right here. Valve lash, intake, 20 thousandths of an inch on the intake side, and then the other one's 25 thousandths or 25, what is that, millimeters or whatever?
Yeah,
Anyways, thousandths.
Let me just see it.
Oh shit! Did you turn it off? We forgot the fucking ratchet on the crank pulley, bro. Yeah, dude, I honestly thought we fucking fucked up. It's good though. Huh?
You think it loosens? Because people do that to loosen the crank job. They crank the motor with the ratchet on there like that, and it loosens the bolt.
Let's check it, dude.
Yeah. That's a little trick if you didn't know that.
Dude, all I
that pop, dude,
I was like, what the fuck, dude? Does it feel better? Does it sound better? Yeah, when it warms up, it should come down. Woo! And sad. Yeah, let's hear it. Sounds nice, dude. Oh yeah. Upsizing the turbo. Huele a weed.
Yeah, I fucking skunk, dude, maybe.
Or maybe it's Christian's car.
Ah, yeah, no.
You need to line up at a light, dude. ¿Qué pasó? Fireballs? Oh yeah.
What's in burial? Ahí está, finally.
Carro se avienta, man.
Yeah.
That was just automatic.
Imagine here fucking if it was manual, dude.
Right.
And Christian car's nice, dude. Oh yeah. The 27
Yeah.
this month, and dude, like, I'm gonna run a front mount intercooler better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be way better, dude.
Se mira de abajo. Ahí está.
I just need that fucking rum and Coca-Cola, mira. Have you ever played Mafia 2?